So we're back with a bit more maintenance, basic plumbing. So this is something I want to show you. This is what your shower head could look like. You can see the scale around the head and not so much on some of the others. So what we're going to use, we're going to get some warm water in this bucket, and today I'm going to be using this Fernox DS3, removes lime scale. You can also use this in your kettle and on your taps as well. So all you just need to do is add the stuff in there, add a bit of warm water, and leave it for a little while. It's got instructions on the back of it, but I'm not going to go into that, people. I'm just going to show you the results. So this is like the before. I'm going to come back after and see the after. I've got my bucket ready. Let's actually look at the instructions here, like what to do in it. So we're all ready to go. We're just going to look at the instructions. So let me just take you guys in here. So this is the part you want to look for. So we can get started. So we're going to add hot water. This is the Fernox. So start adding that in until it changes colour. So the water changes colour. So that should be enough. I'm happy with that's changed the colour. So after this process is done and I've left it in there for a little while, you need to wash them off several times. So make sure you do that process. So I'll be doing that process after this. So I'm in the process of cleaning them off now. So I'm going through the process of washing them out 7 times. So I think I'm on my 5th time now, so I've got 2 more times to go. And stay clean. This is what they're looking like at the moment. Takes a little bit of time, but it does take quite a lot of the scale away from the top. Better condition, you know.